this. When I look at you, my mind goes on a trip. Then you came in and knocked me off my face.
Sino ba? Sino ba?
Like I'm in a race, but why on first place? I never thought I'd follow you as hard as I did. You got me thinking about our life, my house and his. Every morning I look at you and smile. As far as you came around. Even when you knock me down, sometimes love comes around. And it knocks you down, just get back up when it knocks you down, Sometimes love comes around. And it knocks you down, just get back up when it knocks you down, I never thought I'd hear myself saying, take it, yo, go ahead. I think I'm gonna kick you with my girl today. I used to be commander-in-chief of a big ship flying high, till I met this pretty little missile, shot me out the sky. Hey, shot me out the sky. Now I'm crashing, don't know how it happened, but I know it feels so damn good. That if I could go back and make it happen, to know I would, maybe if I could. Miss Independent to the fullest. No, never too much. She shot the bullet. She shot the bullet. Ended that life. You could make me just die tonight, girl. Sometimes love. Hey, 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 and then it knocks you down. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, yeah, it knocks you down. And then it knocks you down, just to get back up when it knocks you down.
Ayan na.
Knocks you down. Make a fuss and Casper. Told me I'd finally buy off to NASA. You always been a leader on my dreams. It's the only day that had a football team. And always said I found that always kept you laughing. We were never meant to be, the baby just happened. So please don't mess up the dream. Too quick when we get a little better. Hourglass runs right into ashes. Let the wind blow the ash right before my glasses. So I wrote this love letter right before my classes. How could it have done that? Someone and then you get my boy. You listen to that fist. Keep up with me. Tragic. It's because you know it. Lagi na lang ang uli sa brown. Sabi yan.
Lexi parang kasal. Wala pang ending yung kantang yan.
And then it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down.